What is the IPI CAE number? This is the International Identification Number that's assigned to you, your name, as a songwriter and/or music publisher. The IPI number uniquely identifies you as the rights holder. It's assigned to you by your performing rights organization through the CISAC database. CISAC is the International Network of Performance Rights Organizations. Also, for your information, IPI stands for Interested Parties Information. Now, the IPI used to be only known as the CAE number. CAE stands for Composers, Authors, and Publishers, and it came through the National Society of Switzerland, or SWISA. I've learned that the CAE part of the name is being phased out. This number is not to be confused with the number that's assigned to your account ID, but to your name as either a songwriter or both if you have a publishing company established as well. Here's how to quickly find it at both ASCAP and BMI. You don't have to sign in, you can just use the search function. There you'll see the IPI number listed. The number of digits assigned vary, so be sure to write down your unique number once it's assigned to you. This is especially important once you begin to register your songs, because you may discover that there's someone else has the same name as yours, so you want to be sure to check your name with the number given to you. And if you're new to ASCAP or BMI and don't see a number yet, don't panic. It's still being processed. One more important note. If you self-administer your own publishing and you begin to register your songs, let's say at Harry Fox requires 11 digits. But if your IPI number is 9 digits, all you need to do is add 2 zeros in front of the IPI number, and you should be good to go. All of this metadata is important to you, especially if you desire to self-administer your own catalogs. You want to make sure you notate all of your different numbers down in order to easily recall it.